In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Binance verification failed. Now, there's multiple reasons why this could be happening, and in this video, I'm going to be explaining the most common causes and the solutions. So one reason this could be happening is due to document issues. So if you submitted blurry, low resolution, expired, or unsupported documents in the verification process, then it will actually cause errors. Next up is information mismatch. So this typically involves personal details like names, addresses, and etc. don't match the submitted documents. It could also be due to technical issues like unstable internet or an outdated application. But even if you did all those things correctly, make sure that you are in a supported area where Binance does operate, because there's actually unsupported states/regions that basically won't allow you to use Binance. And if you try to verify your account from a restricted region, then it just won't work, and then you're going to get an error. And unfortunately, there really is no solution to that. And unfortunately, that did happen with me personally. So that's why I wasn't able to verify my identity, because I am in a unsupported region in the world. And guys, keep in mind, do not attempt to verify your ID too many times too quickly, because if you exceed the 10 attempt limit within 24 hours, that is going to trigger a temporary lock on your account. So you want to make sure that your name, date of birth, address, and nationality match exactly with your ID documents. Even minor typos can cause failure. Now, for addresses, use the exact address on your proof of address document, like a utility bill or a bank statement. Ensure that it's less than 3 months old and in a PDF, JPEG, or PNG format. And when it comes to taking pictures of either your face or your document, you want to make sure that you do them well, make sure they are in a well-lit area, that it's not blurry, and that you're able to see all the details clearly. And if for whatever reason you're still running into issues, even though you just did everything in this video, then what I personally recommend doing is contacting Binance support themselves. So just go to any web browser and then just look up Binance customer support. But if you're using Binance US, then you want to look for the Binance US customer support. So again, it really is up to you. And basically, you want to go ahead and explain to them your situation, explain to them that, you're trying to verify your identity, but it's not working. And yep, here it is. We are actually able to go ahead and verify our account. And you want to follow their instructions. Like, you may need to submit documents to the actual customer support team. So please be ready to do that and have your documents out and ready. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.